we're 1509, going to apartment 1. This is the progress report, apartment 1. So we have the power in the apartment 1. We'll start from the television part, clean up, and everything that we did in this apartment. So as you see, all the outlets have been replaced, checked, inspected, repaired. All the switches have been replaced. All the wiring has been repaired and checked. We don't have GFIs installed in the kitchen yet because it's gonna bother guys to do it. They're gonna destroy it while they're doing the backsplash and all. But everything else here is clean. As I promised, I remember this wall. So this wall is gonna be, the kitchen here is gonna be one continuous line, starting from this, going back, and starting from here, going back. And the fridge is gonna be installed, instead of this side, the fridge is gonna be installed here. Next to the fridge, we're gonna have a counter with water heater, and then we're gonna have a stove. So now what happened here is that this water heater was damaged, didn't work, so we had to cut it off and remove it. It was rusty and leaking, and all the elements had shortage, and it was a fire hazard, so we cut it out and removed it. The bathrooms and all that are also clean, bedrooms, everything is clean and ready for the next stage. This apartment, next stage in this apartment is gonna be to start with sanding the floor. We have the machine already. We got the machine delivered today. So we're gonna start sanding the floor and leveling the floor and preparing for subfloor. Our next stage is also to place the kitchen, but I cannot place the kitchen for only one apartment. I need to save a little money and place all these 8 apartments all at once. I'm going to save approximately a couple of $100 per kitchen. I discussed with Linda and I showed her numbers and proposals that I've received from the supplier. So again, this is apartment 1. Now we're going to go into apartment 3.